Hi guys, how are you? I hope you guys all right and you're doing well. So I'm here, one of my client. So we install here for the battery, the lithium battery, 100 amps. You can see this is a 100 amps battery, and we put Lux Power inverter. So this is the one for the Lux Power inverter, and this is a changeover switch. So we was getting the problem. The client was complaining. He said the battery is not charging, and when we came here, we found the battery is completely flat, like 0%. Right. So let me show you here. I don't know if you can see anything. I think because of the light, but now it's showing the 19%. So why I came live here, I just want to show you when you're having a problem with the battery is not charging, the one, sometimes the people take out the battery and taking to the supplier to the boost the battery. So I will show you how we're gonna boost the battery. So we don't need to remove the battery from the bracket, and how you can boost the battery. So we need, first thing we need the booster. This is the one is a booster, I'm using it. Right. And you can see it's already pushing till to the 100%. And how we're going to connect it, this is live to on the live, and this is for the negative to the negative. And more important thing, before you disconnecting this cable to the charging the battery, so you must have disconnect the fuse, right? And this installation is not we the one, is not like we are the one did this installation. This is before us someone, so we just replace the battery, so we don't work like this, hanging wires and all that. So now the battery is charging, and right now is showing the 20%. And we can see here. So this is the easiest way to boost the battery. So we don't need to remove it and like taking, because this is quite heavy battery, is about 34 to 35 kg. So but this battery is almost getting it there. I just want it to be 25%, then I can disconnect it, and I will connect the battery disconnector. And I'm waiting for this second light have to be on, because this battery was 0%, and even the volt peak volt was 48 volt. But is good thing is reboost and restarting, restart for the charging, and it's gonna be work 100%. I will show you also that. And the Lux power inverter, you see, was the red light was flashing, and now this one even is showing the two parts. So after we done everything, then I'm gonna be restart this one, and then it's gonna be show the green light here. All right.